Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today Speck sent me over some more cases for the iPhone 15 Pro. This time they are for the Pro Max. I showed you guys the new click lock cases on the 15 Pros, and I showed you the accessories with them. So I just want to show you guys these cases right here too. I will be doing a video on these when I get my phone, but I just want to show you guys the cases just in case anybody's looking for a case to purchase before their iPhone comes in. That way they have some ideas. So we have the Presidio 2 Pro here. This one is in a gray right here. So nice kind of like gray with brown accenting on it right there. Sorry, the box is catching on my monitor. There we go. So very, very nice case there. Again, these work with the new click lock accessories that I showed in my previous video. We've got the clear, very nice hard shell clear case right here. Not going to yellow, that kind of stuff. Very nice case. And then we have another Presidio 2 Pro in purple. Now, since I have two Presidio 2 Pros here, I'm going to be giving away this purple one. And I'm also going to be giving away the iPhone 15 Pro cases because I don't have an iPhone 15 Pro. So I'm going to give away the 15 Pro cases and the 15 Pro Max Purple Presidio 2 Pro here. So 3 total giveaways. I'm also going to be giving away some of the click lock accessories with the iPhone 15 Pro cases. So if you want to be eligible to enter that giveaway, it's going to be over on my Whatnot live stream, and that is going to be linked down in the description. It's going to be on Thursday the 21st at 12 p.m. Eastern. So noon Eastern on September 21st, Thursday. I'm going to be giving these cases away over on my Whatnot stream. You have to follow me on there, but if you use my link down below, you also get a $10 credit for Whatnot. If you don't know what Whatnot is, it's a live streaming, basically like selling platform where you can sell stuff in live streams. So I will be having other accessories over there like Apple Watch bands, chargers, MagSafe chargers, that kind of stuff that I will be selling over there for a pretty good price. And as well, I will be giving away these cases right here. So if you want to purchase any of this stuff, check out my Whatnot stream, link down below. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.